Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe for remove wrinkles and skin whitening naturally, my friends, with very simple ingredients at home. It whitens the skin tone and will get you rid of any pigmentation, dark spots, black spots, and will remove wrinkles and fine lines. It's super effective in getting you 20 years looking younger than your age, and it's rejuvenate the skin naturally and will get you an amazing results. The first ingredient we need to add is green tea leaves, and green tea is rich in caffeine and it's going to remove the wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and it whitens the skin tone. Now we need 2 sachets of green tea leaves, around 2 teaspoons, add 2 sachets of green tea leaves, then we need 1 lemon, cut the lemon in half and add 1/2 fresh lemon juice, and then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, يعني كي شهد. Then we need toothpaste, and add around 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and mix well all the ingredients. Now the key here is leave it to soak in for 2 hours before apply it on your skin, and then apply it on clean skin that has no makeup or dust, and leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water after it dries out completely. And my friends, the result will amaze you. From first use you will remove wrinkles and get white skin naturally, fairer skin with up to 3 shades by using this remedy on a regular basis.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.